Hey glammers, I'm Zackary. Get ready to feast your eyes on our new November Morphe Me brushes, honey. We're always thankful for you, but this month we'll be especially gobbling over your beat faces using these sickening brushes. This collection has a pencil crease, detailed liner, pointed dome, and large buffer brush to create some mouth-watering looks. Forget that turkey, girl. Your makeup will be all that anybody can talk about at the dinner table this Thanksgiving. If you want a piece of this glam, then keep on watching. To start off this look, I'm applying the shade Venice Beach from my LiveGlam Shadow Me palette to my crease. Next, I'm taking the M574 pencil crease brush and adding the shade City of Angels all over my lid. With that same brush, I'm placing the shade Beverly Hills on my outer corners to add some depth. Then, I'm smudging the shade Beverly Hills in Santa Monica on my lower lash line for a smoky and sultry look. With my M250 liner brush, I'm popping the shade Hollywood on my inner corners to add a little extra sparkle. For that final glam moment, I'm adding the shade City of Angels on my tear duct using the M574 brush. Lastly, I'm finishing up the eyes with mascara and some sickening lashes. Moving on to the face, I'm using the M106 pointed dome brush to bronze my forehead and my cheekbones. Next, I'm going to go ahead and snatch my nose with the M574, then adding some powder to bake. For blush, I'm going to use the M457 large buffer brush to add a peachy glow to my cheeks. Then I'm going to blend out my highlight with the M106 and using the M574 to add a blinding highlight to the bridge of my nose. To finish up the look, I'm using my LiveGlam Kiss Me Lippies in Most Wanted and Numero Uno to create a nice juicy ombre lip. After you've basted with these brushes, don't forget to tag us on Instagram at liveglam.co and use our hashtag LiveGlamFam. You're the apple pie of our eyes, so show off your beautiful looks using our November collection. Stay glam!